Mastering nouns, grasping countable nouns. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are focusing on an essential aspect of English grammar, the countable nouns. What are they? Why are they important? And how can you use them correctly? All these questions will be answered, so let's dive right in. In English, we divide nouns into two categories, countable and uncountable. Countable nouns, as the name suggests, are items, people, or ideas we can count. They are individual objects that we can make plural, and they can be used with a number or an article such as a or an. Examples of countable nouns include apple, table, cat, or book. You can have 1 apple, 2 tables, 3 cats, or many books. Countable nouns play a crucial role in our communication. They help us define quantity and clarify meaning. Understanding how to use countable nouns allows us to be more precise in our language. For instance, if you're ordering a meal at a restaurant, you would want to specify how many portions you want. 1 plate, 2 sandwiches, 3 drinks, etc. Countable nouns can be both singular and plural. When a countable noun is singular, we use a or an before the noun. For example, I have a cat. When a countable noun is plural, we can just add s or s at the end of the word, for most nouns. For example, I have 2 cats. Also, we use some and any with countable nouns when we don't need to specify the exact quantity. Some is generally used in positive statements, and any is used in negative statements or questions. For instance, I have some apples. Or, do you have any books? Remember, not all nouns are countable. Trying to pluralize uncountable nouns is a common mistake. Uncountable nouns are things that we cannot count individually. They are often substances or concepts such as water, rice, information, or music. We don't say, I drank 3 waters, or I have many musics. Instead, we would say, I drank some water, or I listen to a lot of music. That's all for today's lesson on countable nouns. It might seem challenging, but with practice, you will surely master it. Keep practicing, keep counting, and keep making your English more precise and fluent. Remember, practice makes perfect. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next lesson.